Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I crochet these heel slippers with leather. So if you're interested, please stick around with me to the end as I walk you through step by step. So to make these simple slippers, we are going to need knitting thread, heel insole, the outsole. We are going to need a heel like this, accessory, crochet hook, and leather. So we are going to start by tying a knot. I will make 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to make single crochet through all the chains. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2. So you will keep repeating one single crochet to the end. At the end, make chain 1 and turn. So now we are going to start alternating between the long and the short single crochet. So in the first loop, insert and make short single crochet 1. In the second loop, insert under here and make the long single crochet. In the third loop, insert and make the short single crochet. In the fourth loop, insert under here and make one long single crochet. In the next loop, insert and make the short single crochet. In the next, insert and make the long single crochet. So we are going to keep alternating between the long and the short single crochet until we reach the end. So at the end, you chain 1 and turn. So we are going to increase in the first loop, and when we reach the last loop, we are going to also make an increase. So you insert and make 2 single crochet in the same space, 1 and 2. Then in the rest of the loop, you make 1 single crochet. Keep repeating 1 single crochet to the end. So in the last loop here, we are going to make an increase. So we'll make 2 single crochet in the same space, 1 and 2. Then make chain 1 and turn. So we are going to start alternating again in this fourth row. So we will make 1 single crochet in the first loop, make long single crochet in the second loop, make 1 short single crochet in the third loop, and make 1 long single crochet in the fourth loop. So we are going to keep alternating like that to the end. So I've just finished the fourth row. We'll make chain 1 and turn. This is 1 and 2, but we are doing each of this row contains 2 rows. So in the next 2 rows like this, you are going to increase in the beginning and at the end of the row. So you increase in the first loop, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. while in the rest of the loops you make one single crochet. When you get to the end, you make an increase again by making 2 single crochet. So I started increasing from this row 2, 3 and 4. So from row 5 and 6 we are not going to increase again. We'll just do one single crochet in the first loop and in the rest of the loops. So at the end you slip stitch. So I've just finished the 6th row and cut off the yarn. Now we are going to do this strap. So you tie your slip knot and make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make single crochet in the whole of the remaining 5 chains. At the end, make chain 1 and turn. We are going to start alternating between the short single crochet and the long single crochet. So 1 short single crochet, 1 long single crochet, 1 short single crochet, 1 long single crochet. In the row 3 we are not going to make any increase, so you just make your single crochet all through. At the end, make chain 1 and turn. Start alternating again. Make 1 single crochet, short single crochet, make 1 long single crochet, make 1 short single crochet, make 1 long single crochet. Repeat that to the end. So you are going to do this. We have done 1, 2. Remember that we are compacting 2 rows in one. So we are going to do this up to 35. So we'll meet at the end of 35 row. So I've just finished the 35 row of the alternative stitch and added 5 more rows of short single crochet. So I'm done. I'm going to cut off the yarn and slip stitch. So I've just finished the 35 row and 5 more rows of single crochet, short single crochet. I cut off and slip stitch. So I'm going to fold the strap like this. To the end. Then we use needle and thread and sew it through. Then you are going to cut a leather 2 inches by 11 inches long and you sew it. Then you turn it. You sew the wrong side and turn it to the right side like this. The next thing we are going to do is to mark where we will last it. So you carry the insole and place it on the second leg of the shoe. Do the same thing on this side. So I've just attached the outsole and I'm going to drill the heel so that we can attach it with the screw. I'm using my drilling machine to drill the hole. So friends, at the end, this is how the slippers look. So if you love this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.